Welcome to Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. This is your go-to source for practical advice and support while you go through the divorce process. Join us each weekday for a quick chat where we'll cover a variety of topics such as child custody, property division, and self-care. Together, we'll explore emotional, financial, and legal aspects of divorce and help you find the best path forward for you and your family. Here's your host and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst professional, Mike Fulkerson.
Hello, and welcome to Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce, the podcast where we explore the ins and outs of navigating through life's most challenging transitions. I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson, financial advisor and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst professional. Today, we're going to get into a topic that hits close to home for many of our listeners, the often tumultuous journey through divorce. Specifically, we'll be shedding light on the roles of two key players in the process, the mediator and the attorney. Now, first, let's tackle the big question. What's the difference between a mediator and an attorney when it comes to divorce? A divorce attorney, as you might already know, is a legal professional who specializes in family law. Their primary role is to advocate for their clients' interests, providing legal advice and representing them in court if necessary. Think of them as the generals in the legal battle, fighting for your rights and assets. On the other hand, a mediator is more like a diplomatic envoy. Their role is to facilitate communication between the divorcing parties and help them reach a mutually acceptable agreement. Picture a mediator as a guide, steering you through the negotiation process without taking sides. Now let's break it down further. What are the advantages of choosing a mediator over a lawyer, or vice versa? Choosing a mediator can often be a more amicable and cost-effective route. Mediation promotes open communication and collaboration, empowering both parties to find common ground. It's a process where you're encouraged to actively participate in shaping the outcome of your divorce, rather than leaving the decision solely in the hands of attorneys and judges. But, and this is a critical point, mediation may not be suitable for everyone. If there's a significant power imbalance, a history of abuse, or complex financial issues, an attorney might be necessary. Attorneys are trained to navigate the legal intricacies of divorce, ensuring your rights are protected and that the final agreement is fair and just. So, when do you know which path to take? It often comes down to the nature of your relationship with your soon-to-be ex and the complexity of your divorce. If there's still some level of trust and willingness to work together, mediation might be the way to go. However, if emotions are high, communication is strained, or the situation is legally intricate, seeking the counsel of an attorney may provide the guidance and protection you need. In the end, it's about understanding your own needs and finding the approach that aligns with your goals for the divorce process. Whether you choose a mediator or a lawyer, remember that you're not alone in this journey, and there are professionals ready to assist you. That's it for this episode of Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. I hope the discussion on the difference between mediators and attorneys in the divorce process has shed some light on this often challenging decision. Should you have any questions on today's topic or other financial planning issues, feel free to contact me using the contact information in the description. Divorce is not the end of your story. It is the start of your next great chapter. Until next time, have a good day.
We want to thank you for listening to this episode of Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce with Mike Fulkerson. For questions, please reach out to Mike via email in the description or give him a shout at 630-444-1410. Remember to subscribe, like, and follow.